Do you make payments using UPI? I'm sure you do, which is why this video is very important for you, as the RBI has released some updates and guidelines for UPI in 2024 that will change the way you use the platform. Hey guys, I'm Cyrus and you're watching Fiiber by India today, and this is a video on the 5 new updates coming to UPI in 2024. The biggest update is the 4-hour window that you will get while making payments. Basically, if you're sending money to anyone for the first time that's over 2,000 rupees, it will be transferred after 4 hours. Within that period, you can cancel the transaction in case you have sent money accidentally to the wrong person, or you find out that you have been scammed. This feature is basically to ensure that you don't send money to any online fraudsters, because they are growing in numbers these days, and this feature can ensure that you can get your money back. The financial market has opened itself to UPI. Now you will be able to invest in shares and stocks using UPI, which means the money will directly be deducted from your account. No third-party wallets, which means that you can save that commission fee you were paying earlier. In case you are not able to buy the shares, so that money will be sent back to your account after a day's time. So easy peasy. Now this one is a big update. The transaction limit for UPI has now been bumped up to 5 lakh per transaction for certain categories like education, hospitals, and even some recurring payments like SIPs, credit bills, insurance, etc. You just have to set a mandate in your savings or current account. Similarly, like you had to enter an OTP for transactions in the 15,000 under category for insurance or mutual funds, etc. The same limit has now been bumped up to 1 lakh. So for any amount you're making a payment for under the lakh category will not require your constant feeding of OTPs, and I think that's very convenient. The 4th update is the cash withdrawal via QR code. This means that you will be able to withdraw money at the ATM as the National Payments Corporation of India, NPCI, the same guys who made UPI, have partnered with Hitachi to make UPI ATMs. This means that you won't have to carry those plastic cards around whenever you go to the ATM. All you will need is your smartphone. You just have to enter the PIN and tell the amount. A QR code will appear on the machine and you scan it and withdraw the money. It will be that simple. And the last update that I'll be talking about is the UPI Pay Later. Now this feature will be coming into the market, and it is a big blow for credit card companies. Basically, you will be able to make UPI payments or merchants on credit and won't have to pay that extra fee that you end up paying to credit card vendors or banks or whoever basically issues your credit card. Now this payment will be directly via the bank account, which means you will be getting the credit for 45 days. You will get rewards and cashback for using UPI Pay Later, and banks like ICICI and HDFC have already started sharing this feature with its customers. But obviously, you will not be able to use this feature if you don't have any money in your account. तो पैसे निकालने के लिए बैंक में तो पैसे होने चाहिए. So these are some of the big changes coming to UPI in 2024, and they're going to completely change the way you have been using the payments platform. If you need any other information around this, you can go to the India Today Tech section, where we'll be updating the information around UPI in the coming days. And also stay tuned to Fiiber for all the updates around tech, because that's where you get the best tech. This is Cyrus signing off.